Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch. They call it Cypher Block in Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved four puzzles in this additional. The 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's now time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8867. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 15, but it's indicated with 4 stars by the publisher. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see only one dual box. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. How about triple boxes then? See only one triple box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always a 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so can be a 5 anymore. This box will be a 4. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see here quadra box, there quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill these numbers. Insufficient information right now. Here also. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Here another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction? If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. But it's the same shape. When the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Upside down, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another 1, and this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. But also this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then Then. Let me see. This box, wait. Can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So I can place the 2 there. If I place the 2 there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If we place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this triple box is supposed to be here. And now, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Well. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If we place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box. 1 number is 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then... Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Well. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 2 numbers left in this triple box. 4 numbers 1 and 3. 1 and a 3. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 2 or a 5. Hmm. Well. Hmm. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, yes. Definitely a 4. Yeah. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 1, 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, okay. This box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left of 4 in this area is supposed to be there. Is connected with that box will be also a 4. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. One box left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left here, 2 and a 5. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 5. 1 and a 3. Come on. Yeah. 1, 3, 5, 2 and a 4. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 3, can be 5, so 2 numbers left, 2 and a 4 is connected with that box, so 2 and a 4. But we already have a 4 here in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. Then this box can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there then. Wow. Interesting. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1. We have a 1 here. Can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 3. So we need a 5 here. Okay. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so the only place left of 3 in this area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. And these 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5 is connected with that box. So we show 2 and a 5, but we already have a 5 there. So can we 5 anymore? This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. So we show 2. 1 box left. And I've eliminated here the 2. So this box should be a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the Z constructions for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 3. Here also 2 numbers left. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. We go up. We need a 5 here. Oh, wait. Mark those 2 boxes elevator 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we show 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Need 1, 2, or a 5. Well, we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. And if eliminated here, the 2, so the 2 goes there, and the final number should be the 5. 16 minutes. Well, not faster than 15. So I'm not pleased with the time. But is this video 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.